Gave a point-by-point rebuttal to all the questions that were raised regarding the Snoopgate claims on day one of the monsoon session in the Parliament. Meanwhile, the creators of the Pegasus NSO has distanced itself and themselves from the claim, stating that the story was rushed by certain media outlets without any verification. Here's the latest on the Pegasus Snoopgate controversy.
Pegasus, a surveillance tool created by Israeli cyber intelligence firm NSO Group, is at the heart of a new conspiracy. For days, several news media outlets rushed to call it a technology that was used by the Indian government to snoop on journalists and politicians. Opposition leaders called on the government to give an explanation on the allegations.
तो पहले होता था कि हम कहते थे सर्वेलेंस स्टेट है, अब तो स्टेट परपेचुअली सर्वेलेंस मोड में है और ये हमारे लोकतंत्र के लिए बहुत खतरनाक है
कि इस देश के 1500 से भी ज्यादा प्रमुख लोगों के अगर फोन टैप किए जाते हैं तो जरूर उनका मकसद है और ये देश को खतरा है, देश की स्वतंत्रता को खतरा है.
And the government did just that. The government put the facts on record, quashing all the claims on the Snoopgate on day one of the monsoon session.
A highly sensational story was published by a web portal yesterday night. Many over-the-top allegations have been made around this story. The press reports have appeared a day before the monsoon session of the Parliament. This cannot be a coincidence, Honorable Speaker, sir. The publisher of the report states that it cannot say if the numbers in the published list were under surveillance. Second, the company whose technology was allegedly used has denied these claims outrightly. And the time-tested procedures of our country are well established to ensure that unauthorized surveillance cannot occur. Honorable Speaker, sir, when we look at this issue through the prism of logic, it clearly emerges that there is no substance whatsoever behind this sensationalism.
Not just the government, but even the creators of the platform completely dismissed the Snoopgate theory. NSO says there is no link to the 50,000 numbers and dismisses the entire theory. Further, the company claims there is no definitive links to the numbers and the editors intentionally misled the readers. The BJP also questioned the timing of the claims as it comes right ahead of the monsoon session.
This is a new low in the political discourse of a party which has ruled India for more than 50 years. सारी कहानी मॉनसून सत्र के पहले ही क्यों शुरू होती है? क्या कुछ लोग ये योजनाबद्ध तरीके से लगे हुए थे कि ये कहानी मॉनसून सत्र के पहले ही फोड़नी है ताकि देश में एक नया माहौल बनाया जाए?
From the government to the creators, all have punched holes in the theory, and the claims of a major Snoopgate conspiracy has fallen flat. Bureau Report, Republic TV.